What is up, guys? Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you is how you can add friends in Monopoly Go. So there is a few ways you can do this, so let's get right into it. In the bottom right of your screen, as you can see on my screen, there is this friends tab. What you want to do is click on that and your friends will appear. Here, for some reason, for me it doesn't appear, but there should be random people who are playing in your area who are randomly recommended to you to add them as friends. Another way you can do this also is by going to your contacts tab, and you can add your contacts from your phone who are also playing Monopoly Go and actually play with them as your friends. Another way is to click this green invite button. Once you click this screen will appear. The bottom icon, as you can see, the bottom button says that you can invite via Facebook, and the top button says that you can invite via link. If you click the top button, you will actually get this screen where you can send it to any one of your contacts, either on your actual mobile phone, or on WhatsApp, or on Instagram, or on Messenger, or on whatever application for messaging you have, guys. Once you send them these invites, they can accept, and if they accept, they will start playing alongside you as your friends, and you will get a dice reward for each of them. Not to mention that the more friends you have, you can build a stronger community and actually impact your community chest, which will give you big rewards. Another way you can also search for friends is on the internet. You can either go to Reddit or to Facebook or whichever place that there is actual groups for Monopoly Go. You can ask people around there to actually send you their links, which you can click and become friends with them. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in another video.